This is my almost 12-week-old Indian Ringneck jackpot. And I just ordered Bird Bistro, a sample pack, and this one is Cinespice. And I just got done cooking it, similar to oatmeal, and Jackpot absolutely loves this. He's a very fussy eater. But I figured I'd do a quick little video. Jackpot is eating it. He's a very picky eater, very fussy, but I can say he is eating this blend. I got 4 other ones to try, but so far this is good. This is a go. Thank you for watching. I'll do some other videos later on the other blends. Bye. Say bye.